Happy Friday, everybody. Okay, so we're going to show you some, is that a Brocade power supply? Yeah.
It looks like it.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to show you some Brocade magic. But first of all, check out my t-shirt. Does anybody know what that is? I'll give you a clue. 8-bit. Okay, anyway, I'll come back to that in a minute.
Right. So watch this. Here's what we got as a power supply. And look.
This is magic.
Look. And this is my assistant, Alex. Okay, so we've got a power supply. And we have a monitor. And we have no cables in between. But, hello?
How can that be? Oh my goodness me, this game never ceases to amaze me. Anyway, so what we've got in here is, I just wanted to show you this quickly before it goes off to recycling. Does anybody know what that is? Right. Cray Communications DCX 818 series. I had to look it up because I know about Cray Communications and, well, formerly Case Communications. I'll tell you a little story about that. But anyway, back to this verse. We haven't got the right cable to be able to fire this up. So I've just given it to one of our young engineers and he's going, what's that? Okay, so this is a 30-year-old Statmux. Look at that, Statmux. Anyway, right, okay, so a quick history on Case Communications. They came out of, oh crikey, early 90s. They acquired a company called, Cray Communications acquired Case Communications in 93. And I remember in 1989, I was working for a cable assembly company and we were supplying, one of our customers was Cray Communications. So anyway, when I saw that, I thought, woohoo! Anyway, so we are in the workshop and we have got, this is a quick goodbye for the weekend. We have got a load of kit that's come in. That's the kind of, that's what it looks like when it comes in. That's what it looks like when it comes out. Anyway, everyone's back from a holiday, hopefully next week, so we can get back to business. So all it is left for me to say is have a wonderful weekend and I will see you next week. See ya.